welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix screen flickering in Windows 11. So guys, if you facing such type of issues, so guys, first of all you update and reinstall your driver. So guys, for this, first of all you open device manager. For this, first of all click the option of this PC, then go and click the option of show more option and click and go for manage. Okay, after that guys, go for the device manager. Okay, here you click the drop this menu display adapter, then right click on it, and guys update your driver. So it also help you to fix any issues related to your system. Okay, second thing is guys, remove bad app. So guys, sometimes there is a third party application that sometimes they are recording the screen behind in the background process. Maybe there is a antivirus tool and the custom desktop overlays if you install in your recent time. For installation any such type of things, first of all you identify the application that running in the background. So guys, here is the all the apps that are running in your background. Okay, if you find any suspected application, so guys you choose it, then right click it and end the task. Okay, and if you want to get more details, you just go for the details and open your file locations also. Okay, second thing is guys, you try to remove the bad application. For removing the bad application, simply open your control panel. Okay, and go for the uninstall the application. Okay, after uninstalling the application, guys, you simply go uh, and right click it, go here and find the application. If you find any suspected application, just right click it. Okay, still having the issue, so guys you try to adjust your refresh rate. For refresh rate, simply click and type display setting. So go for start and search display setting, then hit enter, and here you go for the advanced, and here there is an option of refresh rate. So guys, choose the refresh rate at minimum, because sometimes higher refresh rate can consume more battery, and it creates this type of issues. Okay, still having the issue, so guys, it's time to check in for the hardware. Sometimes cable and connection creating such type of issues, so you unplug and securely reconnect your HDMI or the display port cable, or try a different cable to rule out the physical damage. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.